So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a fall lantern. So come on with me, guys. All right, so we're going to be decorating this vase that I got reduced at Home Goods, guys. And the only thing that was wrong with it is it needed a plate on the bottom. So I put that plate in there, and it also came with the vase. So this was an awesome deal. So we are going to go ahead and decorate this for the fall, and it's a nice size lantern, guys. So here we're starting out with this bow that I made in one of my collaboration called Ribbons and Bows. So that's going to be coming up soon, guys. So we definitely want to join that. You're going to start seeing some of the advertisements for that very soon. It's actually out in my October calendar. If you go over to my community tab, you're going to see the calendar for collaborations for the month of October. Okay, so with that being said, we're going to tie this bow, okay, on top of the lantern there on that handle. And then we're going to move on to decorating the rest of the lower part. But I did put a new candle in there. I just wish it was a little taller. The next time I go out, I'll get one, but I needed something in there for now. And I think I want to go ahead and decorate with this on my dining room table. So let's see what happens, guys. I will show it to you over there. And I'm actually liking that bow, guys. It is a burlap in that orange color, and I decorated it with some leaves, so I think that looks beautiful and perfect for the fall. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much for supporting my channels. I do have 3, and I'm going to be linking that below in the description box. Now, don't forget to click that like button if you're enjoying this video, guys, and leave me a beautiful comment. I would love for you to subscribe, so I can't wait to see you in my comments. Now, I bought that orange ribbon up on the top, did come from the Dollar Tree along with the leaves. And then I decided to go ahead and wrap some greenery around the bottom of that vase. So that was some hanging greenery. I did purchase that at Dollar Tree. So this is already starting out to be a really budget-friendly DIY, guys. So now those beautiful pumpkins, they're velvety and they are gorgeous. I purchased those at Michael's, and I do believe the bag was like $3 each, so that was a steal. So I think this lantern came out absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait to take you over to the reveal. So let's head on over there. Now, is that not gorgeous? I absolutely love this. And there's so many different ways that you can decorate a lantern, guys. But if you're lighting a candle, make sure to keep a lot of these things away from that. But other than that, look how gorgeous this looks. I do have it on my dining room table, but that's decorated, so I don't want to show you the whole table. But this lantern is absolutely gorgeous, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. So click like, share, and comment, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.